Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Important announcement. So we have finalized the hotel for our Chennai workshop. So that's going to be Radisson Blue. That's near Nungambakam. So those who are interested may contact our office. And now is the right time to attend the workshop because the problems faced by India is more or less gone. Crude oil crashing and then Indian rupee appreciating. And as I told you yesterday in the post market, the average true range, that means the intraday high and low, it is within 100, 120 points. And this is a pre-budget low. So volatility index is very, very low. Markets are not making big violent move. There's no big gap up, gap back, gap down. So this is the best time for option writers to enter into the markets. Having said that, so today the Nifty rallied for 5th straight day. And then India VIX fell for 5 straight days. So this is a double bonanza for option writers. And if your direction is right, the price is also cooperating with you, VIX is also cooperating with you, time is also cooperating with you, and then profits are really very, very good. And today in the morning, the IT stocks came under selling pressure. Infosys was down more than 2%, TCS was down more than 1%. So because of that, the markets were a little bit jittery because the market has already gone up for 4 straight days. And then plus, in US also, they are saying that the interest rate is likely to go up. But despite that, the Brent crude has broken $78 on the downside. And so markets were very, very, a little bit of jittery, trading between positive and negative. But though markets were a little bit volatile, sometimes in the afternoon, the premium. Yesterday, if you look at the Nifty future premium, was hardly 5 to 10 points. And today, sometimes in the afternoon, that premium has shot up to 25 to 30 points. So that is an indication that people are covering their shorts. So what has happened in the last 1 hour was even more dramatic. There was a huge short covering. The Nifty shot up more than 100 points within half an hour time frame. And nobody expected this 5th day also, Nifty will be closing firmly positive, and despite the underperformance by the IT index. The banking index has done exceedingly well, and now the Bank Nifty is very close to 58,000. So I said that that's going to be the target. And Nifty, the target I said it's going to be 24,300. And now the Prime Minister spoke few weeks before. He was cautioning people mainly because of foreign exchange problem and plus the crude oil problem. Now both the problems, whatever was the concern raised by Prime Minister, there is no such concern now. So therefore, now the market has come to pre-Prime Minister statement level. That means whatever the market has fallen after the Prime Minister spoke, the entire loss has been recovered now. So logically speaking, the next target is 24,300, which is a 50% Fibonacci retracement. And meanwhile, I just discussed about one trade, selling 24,300 put option for the current week and buying 24,300 put option for the next week. And some people raise the concern, sir, you said the maximum margin will be 35, 40,000. My trading system is asking for 65, 70,000. But sometimes, what the trading system shows may not be correct. And sometimes, when I have a doubt, I check with the 2 or 3 different sites. So they are all showing different margin. And first, let me tell you how the margin system works in India. If you take the position in the same contract, then all the broker website or whatever the system you are following, they will all show the margin exactly correct. The problem comes only when you change the calendar month. So first let me tell you how the margin system works in India. When you take a position, you pay something called span margin and something called exposure margin. So you pay two margin. And exposure margin is 2% of the total contract size. Say for example, Nifty is approximately 24,000 multiplied by 65, whatever is the contract will be about 15 lakh rupees. Now 2% of that will be about 30,000. So the exact figure is about 31,000 something. Let us say 32,000. So as and when you sell a call option or put option or whether you sell both, for each leg, for each option you are selling, you have to pay about 32,000 as the exposure margin. Then something called span margin. Now, if you are taking a hedged position, say for example, you are selling 24,500 call and buying 24,600 call. So that means 24,500 sell, 24,600 buy. That means your maximum risk is only 100 rupees. And it is not even 100 rupees because in this process, you will be collecting about 10 rupees premium. So if you take that into account, your maximum loss is only 90 rupees. So span margin is equal to your maximum risk. So in this case, approximately your maximum risk is 100 rupees into 65. So it is 6,500. So your total margin will be span margin of 6,500 plus exposure margin of 32,000. Let us say you are buying an option 200 point away. That means selling 24,500 call, buying 24,700 call, like that. Your maximum risk is 200. So 200 into 65. So that will be 13,000. So your margin will be 13,000 span margin plus exposure margin 32,000. Now, when you do a calendar spread, okay, so no broker system show exactly correct. A different broker system show different numbers. But logically speaking, you are selling 24,300, buying 24,300. So which means that, theoretically your risk is 0. So therefore span margin should be 0. Plus you have to pay the exposure margin 32,000. Right? Then in this case, we sell in the current series and buy in the next series. So there actually the buy price will be higher than the sell price. So let us say you are selling for 100 rupees, buying for 150 rupees. Okay. So when you are selling that 100 rupees come to your pocket, when you buy for 150 rupees, you pay from your pocket. That means net you have to pay about 50 rupees. So that premium will also be added into the span margin. So that means, if you are net, you are paying 50 rupees. So that will be 3,250 rupees. Exposure margin 32,000. So that is 36,000. So that is what I said. It may not be very accurate, but I am confident that it cannot be more than 40,000 rupees. And as of today, the trade which I have given, sorry, I have not given, so I discussed, it has given about 1,500 rupees profit, approximately I am talking. So if the margin is only 40,000 rupees and 1,500 rupees is the profit, so that means it's about 3 to 4% return in 3 to 4 days and with the less risk. So of course, there is a risk involved in this. So all that we discuss in our workshop. So right now, market is bullish and the support is at 23,500, resistance is 24,300. So for the next how many trading sessions? Today is Thursday, so Friday, Monday, Tuesday. So we have only 3 more trading sessions for weekly expiry. So our stand is 23,500 to 24,300. So if any changes, we will let you know during the course of the period. And meanwhile, this Saturday, coming out with a video, an interesting video that's about a medium term to long term view of our market. The thumbnail is resignation of finance minister. So it's an interesting video. Wait for the video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.